This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 67 of Building Robocop, the legendary cyborg. In this issue, we're starting something new. We're starting the left leg with the elbow, the left arm, the left elbow joint. After looking at the most fearsome adversaries, the series pitted Robocop against multiple villains. Yeah, because the series, you've used up all the things from the film, so you've got to have more multiples from the series. So there we go. That is what we're looking at today. Looking at all of that, and then the build itself. Lots of parts. We're getting the mechanics of the joint set up and built. So a fair bit of building to do today. I think the rest of the pack is not so much building, continuing the arm. So I shall get that done momentarily. Work in progress. Yeah, we've got quite a bit there. Blue bots. Fish. We know a lot of people that like fish. Fish swimming in schools create geometric shapes. Oh, that's sweet. Robotic fish. Automation in agriculture. Yep. For agriculture as well. For paddle, obviously out in the wilds, you want solar. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's start on this elbow. Okay. Apologies for the camera, but it's daytime. It's sunshine. The sun is actually shining out there. So yeah, we've got a bit of extra light on the bench here. But yes, let's see what we've got. We've got lots of plastic parts to put together. First of things first, we've got to reassemble that. Goes on there like so. Like that. And we need an EP screw to put that together. Get one of those out. And a screwdriver indeed will be quite useful for doing up screws and things like that. That on there. Together. Thusly. Single screw. That together like that. And half of the joint ready done. Go, right. Then we need some parts from the bag. So we've got the little bolt. Should come out of the bag. There you go. Bag anymore. Bolt is going into one of those bits. Which one? That one. Top there. Around in the bit that's shaped like a bolt. Goes in there with that over the top. We need two of the smaller KP screws to hold that together. 3 in the bag, so we'll keep one of those spare. The stash. Screwdriver, yeah, that will do it. There and into there. That's going in there. Not the big one yet. Not the big one yet. We're only holding this nut captive. And things are going to be fitted into it. And now I've got both of those in. I can tighten up both of those screws. Get that nice and secure. That bit. That is secure. Tighten that up just a touch further in a moment. But I want to get the spring in. We need the spring and that bit. And that is going into this bit. The spring goes over there. That's quite easy. Go on top of that. And And that is what joins that together with the knurled pieces, give us the clicky bits. Like that. That like that. That then over the other side of that. Then we can put that together with 2 more EP screws, which should leave me just 1 in the packet. Yep, I'll put the label back in the packet as well, so I know which screws they are, or that is. And they're going to go through there and there to hold that together. Screwdriver's much easier way of doing it. No, that's not going through there, I think. No, I'm going through the wrong side. That's how things attach to it. They go on this side. Through the lower one this side. The upper one the other side. Get a couple of these in because I'm fighting against the spring all the time on this. There and that one there. There we go. Now I'm no longer fighting too much against the spring. Make sure we get that nice and secure. And then we can put the bolt through from the other side. Support and everything, and that's going into that nut that we held on that first side. Long way through that nut as well. There we go. So that is that. We've now got our joint, which works and is quite tight but quite secure as well. And that is today's build. That's what we've done. We're starting on the elbow. So this build, this part work this month is all about doing that. So I shall see you for more of that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.